We all learned in school that the ancient Greeks Aristotle, Eratosthenes were the geniuses who proved the earth is a sphere. A clean story of pure reason, brilliant minds discovering the truth all on their own. But the history books left out something huge. The Greeks were building on the work of even older civilizations. What if the Greeks were copying the homework? Today, we uncover the forgotten scientists of Egypt and Babylon, and reveal that discovering our round Earth was a multi-civilizational masterpiece, not a European aha moment. The official story credits the Greeks, and to be fair, what they did was brilliant. Pythagoras argued the Earth must be a sphere, not because of proof, but because it was the perfect shape. Then Aristotle brought evidence. During lunar eclipses, Earth's shadow on the moon is always a perfect circle. Only a sphere does that. Hay also noted that as you travel north or south, the stars shift. Polaris sinks as you move south until it vanishes near the equator. This only makes sense on a curved surface. Then came Eratosthenes, using a stick's shadow in Alexandria and a well in Syene. He calculated Earth's circumference off by as little as 1%, a stunning achievement. But this tidy story ignores where the data came from. Aristotle's genius wasn't that he invented these ideas, it's that he connected dots collected by older civilizations. To find the first clues of a round Earth, we go further back, to Mesopotamia, to Egypt, to the civilizations the Greeks studied. Long before Greece, Babylon's astronomers were the undisputed masters of the sky. For centuries, they recorded everything: planet paths, eclipses, star risings, creating astronomical diaries carved into clay. They invented the base 60 system: 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 360 degrees. All Babylonian. Their data predicted eclipses with stunning accuracy. Late didn't declare Earth spherical, but their precise data exposed inconsistencies in flat models and set the stage for a spherical world. While Babylon studied the sky, Egypt mastered the earth. The Nile demanded precision, land surveying, geometry, and stellar tracking. The Egyptians invented tools to align structures with the stars. Just look at the Great Pyramid, aligned to true north with shockingly tiny error. Eratosthenes lived in Egypt, not Greece. His experiment relied entirely on Egyptian knowledge. The well in Syene was an Egyptian solar marker. The distance between Syene and Alexandria, an Egyptian trade measurement. It was Greek geometry plus Egyptian field data that equaled the first accurate measurement of Earth. Herodotus even reported that Phoenician sailors sailing around Africa for Pharaoh Necho II noticed the sun was on their right at noon. That only happens if you cross the equator on a round Earth. So, how did Babylonian sky data and Egyptian land data end up in Greek hands? Enter the Library of Alexandria, the ancient world's greatest research institute. It copied books, hired scholars from across the world, and translated foreign knowledge into Greek. This is where Eratosthenes worked, where the homework of 2,000 years came together. Greek brilliance wasn't isolated. It was collaborative. The Greeks didn't invent the puzzle, they solved it. Science is never a solo act. It's a chain built across continents and centuries. If you love stories that reveal the truth behind the myths, subscribe and hit the bell. Let's keep uncovering the real history together. Why does this matter? Because setting the record straight doesn't diminish Greek achievement, it enriches the story. The discovery that Earth is a sphere was not a single civilization's triumph, the result of a 1,000-year collaboration between Babylonian skywatchers, Egyptian surveyors, and Greek geometers. The world isn't flattened. The history of how we discovered that is far richer, deeper, and more beautifully human than we were ever taught. This is Reese from Powerful Individual saying thanks for watching, okay? And let me know if this information helped you gain understanding.